Ordnung Muss Sein is a phrase you'll hear across German households, roughly translating to there must be order. It shows up in how homes are kept, how schedules run, and very specifically in how finances are tracked. German household budgeting has traditionally involved a rigid, almost ceremonial monthly review. Every bill accounted for, every expense categorized, nothing left ambiguous. American financial disorganization is often invisible until it becomes expensive. Forgotten subscriptions, insurance policies nobody has reviewed in 5 years, interest rates on old debts nobody has bothered to renegotiate. A 2025 consumer survey found the average American underestimates their own monthly subscription spending by more than $130. That's money leaking out through neglect, not choice. The Ordnung habit is simple to apply. Once a month, every account, every recurring charge, every bill gets reviewed line by line, not glanced at, reviewed. People who do this consistently typically find $100 to $300 a month in forgotten or renegotiable charges the first time they do it properly. That's $1,200 to $3,600 a year recovered from nothing more than paying attention on a fixed schedule. The power of Ordnung is not complicated technology or advanced investing. It is simply creating a routine where your money gets your attention. Most financial problems grow because people ignore small problems for too long. A simple monthly review can prevent years of unnecessary financial loss.